Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. Today I am going to discuss another problem from CSIR Net Mathematical Science from June 2025 question paper. The problem is from part C. The problem is from complex analysis. The problem is given as let gamma maps from closed 0, 1 to complex C be the function t tends to e power 2 pi it and I is given as integral over gamma e power z into e power 1 by z dz. Then which of the following statement are true? First option I 0, second one 1 by 2 pi I belongs to set of all 4n such that n belongs to z, n greater than or equal to 1. Option 3 1 by 2 pi I summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial. Last option I equal to 2 pi I summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into n plus 1 factorial. Solution. What is given? I, which is equal to integral over gamma e power z e power 1 by z dz. For evaluating this integral I, we know very well from Cauchy residue theorem, integral over C f of z dz equal to 2 pi into sum of the residues lies within C. Here it is given in the form of gamma, therefore this I must be equal to first of all 2 pi into sum of the residues. Here what is f of z? E power z into e power 1 by z. How to find residue for this function e power z into e power 1 by z? For finding residue for e power z into e power 1 by z, we know very well this is nothing but coefficient of 1 by z in the Lorentz series expansion of e power z into e power 1 by z. If you find the coefficient of 1 by z in the Lorentz series expansion for this e power z into e power 1 by z, this is nothing but the residue for the function f of z. This is we may take it as equation 1. What is e power z? We know very well from the exponential series it can be written as 1 plus z by 1 factorial z square by 2 factorial dot 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 z power n by n factorial. What is e power 1 by z? 1 plus 1 by z 1 by 1 factorial 1 by z the whole square into 1 by 2 factorial 1 by z power n into 1 by n factorial. In this problem it is given in the form of e power z into e power 1 by z. Multiplication of e power z into e power 1 by z, from this we have to find the coefficient of 1 by z. If we multiply 1 with this term, we may get coefficient of 1 by z. The answer is 1 into 1 by 1 factorial. If we multiply these two terms, we may get 1 by z. Coefficient of 1 by z is for this term and this term, we may get 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 2 factorial. Similarly, if we multiply these two terms, here z square, here I may get 1 by z the whole cube into 1 by 3 factorial. For this coefficient of 1 by z, if we multiply this term and this term, we may get 1 by 2 factorial into 1 by 3 factorial. Proceeding like this, we may get last term 1 by n factorial into 1 by n plus 1 factorial. Therefore, coefficient of 1 by z for this e power z into e power 1 by z is nothing but 1 by n factorial into 1 by n plus 1 factorial. Substitute in star, therefore I equal to 2 pi I summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into 1 by n plus 1 factorial. If you check, by putting n equal to 0 factorial, 1 by 0 factorial 1 into 1 by 0 plus 1 factorial, that is 1 into 1 by 1 factorial. Next, by putting n equal to 1, 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 2 factorial. By putting n equal to 2, we may get 1 by 2 factorial into 1 by 3 factorial. Similarly, for n equal to 3, n equal to 4, therefore, for this problem, I is nothing but 2 pi I into summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into 1 by n plus 1 factorial. This is our answer for this problem. The problem from part C in complex analysis. The problem is 81st problem in part C. The answer is I equal to 2 pi I summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial into n plus 1 factorial. This is our correct option for this part C problem from complex analysis. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel to your friend. I will upload more videos from CSIR Net Mathematical Science question paper. Thank you.